welcome back to the channel and our kayaking adventures. Well, if you could tell by that long intro, we are not in North Carolina. That's right, we have taken our holiday vacation and we are in Florida, where I have been recording a lot of content because we have been doing a lot of adventures. And I look forward to posting these adventures here shortly. You'll just have to give me some time because I'm having quite a bit of fun. Anyway, let's see, we've been down to the Keys. We have watched the SpaceX launch. We have done quite a bit of paddling. Gone to the zoo. There's so many things. There's so much content that's going to be coming your way. So for those of you who are subscribed, I appreciate your subscription. If you haven't subscribed but you enjoy my channel, consider subscribing. I would enjoy that very much.
With our vacation only half over, I wanted to stop, take a break from the adventures, and make a video wishing you all a happy holidays. I hope you are well and in good spirits. One of the events we planned to attend this year was the Satellite Beach SUP, Kayak, and Boat Parade, which was held on December 19th. We missed out on this event last year due to the high winds canceling the original date and a scheduling conflict on the makeup date. We were pretty excited to be part of this event. We were told that we should arrive about 4 p.m. and prepare our kayaks with plenty of lights. This was going to be a very festive event. We parked where we thought was the proper put-in and unloaded. As we prepared our kayaks, some boats launched, but there were no signs of any kayaks or SUPs. The sun was starting to look spectacular, and there were dolphins in the water, so we launched our kayaks, took advantage of viewing the scenery, and got a sneak peek of some of the boats that were also attending the parade. Sunset was at 5:38, and it looked spectacular, especially when viewing it from the water on a kayak. Some of the boaters thought it was an impressive sight as well. As more and more boats arrived, we grew concerned that we were the only kayaks in the water. I called my friend Roy with Canoeing the Edge of the World, a YouTuber I collaborated with earlier in the week. You'll meet him in a future video. His phone went to voicemail. I assumed he was either on the water already or got tied up with work and not going to make it. As I paddled around, admiring some of the boats, I knew I was going to have to make a decision. Would it be safe enough for us to attend, being the only kayakers in the water? Or should we take caution and paddle the best we can and at least check out some of the lighted boats? The parade would officially start at 6 p.m., and paddling in the dark along the boaters was a concern. Just as I was about to make the call that we should sit this out and just enjoy the boats as they passed by, out on the horizon I spied smaller vessels with strands of lights. Upon a closer view, they appeared to be SUPs and one kayak. We paddled over and introduced ourselves.
Hello! Alright, how you doing?
Great.
Hi. Yeah. I thought there was supposed to be some SUPs and kayaks and we were way over there. It was like, we don't see anybody. We're going to get run over.
Come on
And then we finally found some. By the way, I'm Arthur.
Hi, Arthur.
And this is my wife, Yumiko.
Hi, I'm Sonia.
Sonia.
Danny and Betty, and my husband, Todd and Thomas.
A shout out and thank you to Todd, Thomas, Sonia, Danny, and Betty for letting us hang out with you all. We had a blast and enjoyed your company. It was very nice meeting all of you. As the group gathered, we set a course for the north end of the Satellite Beach Grand Canal to spread some holiday spirit. I had not kayaked this section of water, so it was going to be real interesting paddling under the Christmas lights.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
The excitement of the spectators watching the brightly lit up boats go by was a grand experience. Everyone along the canal were shouting well wishes and Merry Christmas, waving and hollering. The Christmas spirit was alive and well here. We paddled just past the drawbridge before turning around and paddling back. The boats still had a few miles to reach the south end of the canal, but we had to get back to our vehicles under our own power. We paddled just about 2.5 miles. It would be another 2.5 miles back, a total of 5 miles. Not too bad. With very little current, it was an easy trip. My mind was on sensory overload. The noise, the music, the lights, it was quite a bit to take in. I'm used to a little bit more peace and quiet when paddling. Still, it was an awesome experience. I hope you and your family have had a happy holidays and a happy new year. This year was quite the unusual year, and I'm looking forward to when things settle down and normalcy returns. I want to thank everyone who has subscribed to this channel over the past year. This channel has grown so much. Thank you to those of you who have encouraged me with your comments, and to those of you who have paid me a compliment by clicking that like button. I have a number of adventures that I will be adding to my channel soon. Once this vacation ends, I will get back to work on those videos. I'm very excited to see this channel grow and enjoy taking you along with us on our adventures. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope to see you out on the water someday.